what you've been told, but this gal right here's gonna rule the world. Yeah, that is where I'm gonna be, because I wanna be. No, I don't wanna sit still.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to unboxing what I won from Kleh giveaway. So I'm super excited today because I received a package from her, and this what I won on her giveaway. So this is a Coach crossbody bag. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing, and if you haven't friend with Kleh, so please check the description box below or in the comment section so you just guys can get friends with her. So what are we waiting for? Let's unpack it. Yes. Okay, so it is a Coach crossbody wear bag. May kasama pa siyang Coach na paper bag. Yes, guys. And it looks like this. Oh my god, super nice. Front details niya, ganito yung look niya on the front. Ganito siya, and at the back, ganito. And then the price is kayo nang humusga, guys. Sa price niya. Ayan. Ang mahal-mahal. Grabe. Open natin. On the inside, meron siyang gift receipt. Tapos, ganito yung itsura niya on the inside. Oh my god, ang ganda. May 2 pockets here. Tapos, a zipper pocket here. Meron siyang care card. Wait. At may care card. Oh my god. Tapos, eto. And then, ganito. Ayan. Oh my god, sobrang ganda. I like the color. Ayan. Nakikita niyo ba? May Coach. Ayan, guys. Yun lang yung details niya sa loob. And then, on the front, another zipper. Tapos, ganito. Ayan. Tapos, ganyan. Oh my gosh. Again, this is what I won from Kleh giveaway, and if you guys haven't friend with her, so check the description box below and just visit her channel and subscribe on her channel. So again, sis Kleh, thank you for this Coach crossbody wear bag, and see you guys on my next video. I hope you gonna subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and click a like for this video and leave a comment down below, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.